Hi friends, this video shows how to safely eject these two USB flash drives from Google TV Streamer 4K device. See here I am using this multi-port USB hub that is connected to Google TV Streamer 4K using this USB Type-C cable. Here you can see the power cable that is connected to PD in port of the USB hub, and these are the two USB flash drives. Let me go to TV. In TV, go to all settings. Set all settings from top right corner. Go to system. Go down, set storage. Here you can see two sections: device storage or internal storage, then removable storage. Under removable storage, you can find these two USB flash drives, SanDisk 8 GB. So here I am going to eject this USB flash drive. Select this SanDisk USB drive. Here you can see the eject option. Select eject. Ejecting. Please wait. Done. Then I have ejected one USB flash drive. Let me eject this second one. Select it. Select eject. Done. So this way we can safely eject USB flash drive. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.